back to the channel. Today we are looking at the stock price of Twitter Inc. and the stock is trading today lower 1.32% at $37.79, and we have barely an hour and 5 minutes to the close of market today. Volume for the stock today is just at about 9 million compared to an average volume of 54 million. However, if you look at the top of your screen, you can see that most of the major indices are in the green. S&P 500, the Dow 30, the Nasdaq, Russell 2000, they are all in the green. Crude oil is down 0.07%, trading at $110.20 a barrel. Now, Twitter, as you guys know, is being rocked by a huge, scandal, no scandal, deal, no deal. Well, billionaire and the world's richest person, Elon Musk, has made an offer on Twitter, and since he put that offer for Twitter, the stock is down about 40%. He proposed to buy Twitter at $54.20 a share, and today the stock is down 1.27%, trading at $37.81 a share. Now, I believe that Elon Musk did not completely do his due diligence. He believed that just about 5% of Twitter participants were bots, but it looks like it's at the current estimate he is talking about. He thinks that about 20% or even more of active users of Twitter are actually bots, or like program machines and robots. But Twitter has repeatedly said year over year in their filings with the Securities and Exchange Commission that they estimate the bots on their site or on their app to be less than 5%. So what happens now? Well, one scenario is Elon Musk saying that, hey, I think you have more than 5% bots on your site. And I don't know where he might get data. If he can back that up, then he can definitely walk away from that negotiating table. But then again, there is a fee of $1 billion that he might have to pay in case he walks away from this deal. And it looks like after his offer was placed out there and he went on Twitter and kind of forced their hand to accept the deal, it turns out that the Twitter board, I think it was like 10 days later, they accepted the deal. They voted on the deal and they recommended to the shareholders that they accept the deal. So the Twitter board agreed, and now they are recommending to shareholders of Twitter that they should go ahead with the deal. And the annual shareholder meeting for Twitter is coming up here really quick. And so in case the shareholders vote overwhelmingly to have their shares sold at $54.20 a share compared to the $37.82 at which the stock is trading right now, you guys can see that it is showing that there's a very strong sentiment on the street that Elon Musk might be walking away from this deal. Otherwise, you guys can see the differential from $37 to $54. That represents quite a premium and a gap that somebody can close and make some good money. So it looks like Elon Musk is trying to walk away from this deal, but the Twitter guys have looked the thing over and they realize that it's actually a pretty sweet deal. So they might be triggering some other mechanisms to force Elon Musk to buy the company. So it's going to be quite interesting to see how this plays out. And we will keep watch and let you guys know in case anything substantial or material changes that might actually sway the needle for or against this deal. So yeah, Elon Musk is back in the country. I believe he came back on the 20th of May from his short visit to Brazil, where he gave, I believe it was like 150,000 Starlink antennas to hook up schools in the country to the internet, and also to help President Bolsonaro with his plan to save the Amazon. So he's back in the country, and we will see how things play out this week. Also, there is the scandal that is brewing We don't know how true that is, but Elon Musk is lawyering up, looking for astute lawyers, who are street fighters in his own words, and not corporate kind of guys who are soft and negotiate plush deals in carpeted offices. So he is looking for hard, down to the bones kind of guys who have been in the courtroom and done battle in the courtroom. And we will see how this drama unfolds. Anyways, thanks for joining me. Thanks for your time. And once more, we are stalled again with our growth on the number of subscribers. Please do consider subscribing to the channel if you have made it this far. We actually try attempting to grow as fast as we can so that we can hit 1,000 subscribers by the midterms in November. So thanks for your vote. In case you are subscribing to the channel, I do appreciate that. And also for those who are already subscribed, thank you very much for that kind gesture. All right, I'll end here. Catch you guys on the next one. We have just 1 hour to the close of market. Bye now.